We are looking at how to pronounce this name as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing names, some of the most mispronounced ones too, so make sure to stay tuned for those. How do you say it? Well, there are two slightly different ways of pronouncing this name, as in Karen, Karen, a clear R sound here, emphasis on the first syllable in American English, in particular in the US. It is often pronounced as Karen, Karen in American English, or Karen as in British English. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious, many get them wrong. You won't after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.